Never stop until you not achieve your goal. Welcome again in e-learning classes, dear students. This is your social science teacher Priyanka Khandelwal. Hope you all are fit and fine and excited to learn with me. New lesson 7, handling pollution and disaster. In this video, I will explain to you about pollution, ways to avoid or reduce pollution, meaning of disaster, natural and human-made disaster, prepare for disaster. So let's start. Student, first, what is meant by pollution? Pollution means what? Any harmful change in air, water, land or other aspects for the environment due to human activities is called pollution. And the things such as a smoke or waste that cause pollution are called pollutant. And there are 4 types of pollution: soil pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, air pollution. So dear students, let's see what's the causes of air pollution. Air pollution happens when pollutants get released into the air due to various human activities. For example, burning of fossil fuels releases gases and harmful chemicals into the air. Fumes from vehicles, factories and burning of garbage pollute the air. Then deforestation also leads to air pollution. The common health problems caused by air pollution are cough, headache and diseases such as bronchitis, lungs cancer and skin diseases. Then how to reduce it, we see later. First we see causes of different pollution. Then next is water pollution, how water pollution form and what's the causes of water pollution, that is contamination of water bodies due to human activities leads to water pollution. What's that causes, that is garbage or sewage from home and industrial waste discharged into water bodies such as lakes, ponds and rivers result in water pollution. Then second point, that is oil spilled from ships into the oceans and also causes water pollution. Oil leaks from ships. Then consumption of contaminated water may lead to diseases such as jaundice, dysentery and cholera. These diseases caused by water pollution. Then what is soil pollution and what causes and how it affects which diseases occur. Soil pollution, when harmful substances enter the soil due to human action, it is called soil pollution. For example, that is non-biodegradable waste from houses, schools, hospitals and markets. Also workplace soil causes pollution. Also extensive use of fertilizer and pesticides by farmer also causes soil pollution. And due to soil pollution cause skin disease and harm the development of the brain and kidney in humans. Next pollution, that is noise pollution. Noise is an unpleasant sound that distracts us. When the noise becomes so disturbing, it is adversely affect our body and mind. It is called noise pollution. Which causes noise pollution occur, that is household gadgets, noise from vehicles, sirens, loud music, jet planes and helicopters and the bursting of crackers are some of the primary sources of noise pollution. and due to noise pollution cause can lead to sleep disorder and hearing loss. So dear students, next also very important factor, that is global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is the increase in the average temperature of the earth due to the effect of gases such as carbon dioxide. These gases are called greenhouse gases, as they trap the heat that the earth receives from the sun and does not allow it to escape into space. And human activities have led to a rise in greenhouse gas emission. So dear students, hope you very well understood about different pollution and why it occurs and what it affects in our health. Now see how to reduce it. It's harmful. So how to reduce it? Different pollution. First we see air pollution. How to reduce air pollution? It's very simple. Vehicles must undergo regular pollution test. Automobiles technology must be improved to reduce air pollution. Carpool should be encouraged to reduce the number of cars on the road. It means use more and more times public transport. And factories should be built outside the city limits. Then how to reduce water pollution? This is also very simple. Of course, factory waste should not be discharged. Factory or homes, household waste, anyway, things don't throw inside the water bodies. Then ship must follow safety norms to ensure that there are no cases of oil spillings into the seas and oceans. Soil pollution. How to reduce soil pollution? People should follow the 3 rupees means RS: reduce waste, reuse goods and recycle things. These 3 areas are very effective in reducing the pollution. The use of plastic and polythene bags for any purposes must be stopped as they are non-biodegradable. Then how to reduce noise pollution? In factories and industries, soundproof rooms should be built for noisy machines. Use of loud horns and vehicles producing noise should be banned. Industrial plants, airports, bus and railway stations should be built away from the residential areas. From these activities, we reduce the different types of pollution. Hope you very well understood, dear students, about pollution, its causes, its effect and how to reduce it. In the next video, I will explain to you about disaster. Till you learn, revise and eat healthy, be safe. Thank you.